I would like to welcome any new subscribers and thank all my subscribers for being here with me. Many blessings. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir. Just the simple act of being outside is a personal reward. When we take the time to go outside, be it in the city park or in the wilderness, our body changes. We become more relaxed and more at ease. Mother Nature delights our senses with sounds, sights, and smells. We think we're out for just a simple walk. We are delighted when we see the birds and the wildlife. We feel the wind across our face. Take the time at least once a week to get outside. Connect with Mother Earth. She will recharge your batteries. For those of us who have the constant ringing in the ears, it will subside when outside. Some will be pleasantly surprised when you notice your mood is improving, as well as some will notice a slight improvement in health by getting out and getting some exercise. We all benefit by spending time with Mother Nature. She heals and restores us. She gives us back what the hustle and bustle has taken away. All my love, Miss Dragon.